Hello guys, it's me Weston. Today I'm going to do my first unboxing video and got all my Koopalings and Wario and Ludwig because the final Koopalings
Maybe.
and shout out to random first of all friend and first of all sister white go subscribe. Anyways, now go do the pack back. Oh, I see a stuffy. Come on. Ludwig.
Yeah, Margaret.
Ludwig.
It's Ludwig.
Next we have little one, Lemmy. Lemmy.
Lemmy.
Larry. Here's Larry. Right.
You got those sweet.
Alright, I'm putting Ludwig out. Oh. Wait. Oh, I can't lift it up. Anyways, here is Ludwig. Here's Ludwig. He's trying out of this. Hey, can you get me Lemmy?
I got you open it.
We have Larry here, and my brother is doing Lemmy for me. Here's Larry.
Here's Lemmy.
Here's Lemmy and Larry.
And look at Andy.
Like this, Lemmy. But this Larry, I really love the hair. I really love the hair. It's animal.
Yeah, I like this hair.
Here is Lemmy. As you know, he's not a girl. It's a boy. Don't do this on like this is a boy. And last but not least is my favorite Ludwig. The one.
Yeah, this is
so
my
good.
favorite. This
Well-
is my favorite.
Oh well, glad you see him. Last time to look at them. There's Larry. Here's Lemmy.
This is it.
And here is the leader. Ludwig.
You guys have
I
it.
should say, this is Frank. This is. Alright. Say goodbye, everybody. Bye.